Hello students, welcome to Lead International School Form 4 ICT second midterm Chapter 2 Software second part. End of this lesson, you will be able to learn about web authoring, image editing. Under the image editing, you will be able to learn about graphic editors and photo editors. Then sound editing, presentation software, control application, then project management, then communication software. Under the communication software, you will be learn about web browsers, email, social media, SMS, then MMS and instant messages. Then after that, software licensing and also free open software, then proprietary. Last one is software updates. Let's see what is a web authoring. Web authoring software is a type of desktop publishing tool that allows users to navigate the tricky environment of HTML and web coding by offering a different kind of graphical user interface. These web authoring tools, the end user can see a visual result that is a lot like the final project after it is built. Web authoring tools are similar to HTML editors in that they typically allows toggling between an HTML code view and a visual design. Some of these type of tools are also called WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG means what you see is what you get. Let's see, children, what is image editing. Under the image editing, I am going to teach you first graphic editors. So children, what is graphic editors? Graphic editing applications allows user to create or edit vector graphics. And examples of graphic editor software is Serif, Affinity Designer. So these computer graphics may be clip art, web graphics, logos, headings, background, then digital photos or other kind of digital medias. So children, common graphic software editors include Photoshop, Illustrator, PaintShop Pro, then what else? CorelDRAW, yes, Adobe Lightroom, so are there. So in Windows 10, the Paint 3D program is core to the operating system. Some graphic software offers some limited editing capability but is optimized for display. The photo program in Windows 10 is a great example, as is the free InfraView Viewer. So next one is photo editors. Let's see what is photo editing. Photo editing software is used to manipulate or enhance digital images. This category of software ranges from basic apps to easily resize images and add music effect to industry standard program used by professional photographers. Most often, the software is used to manipulate existing images that are open in the program. This is the example of photo editing software. This is the icon of GNU image manipulation program. Here, this is the interface of that program. So children, here I am going to discuss about sound editing. Sound editing software allows user to edit audio files or to join together different audio files in order to create multi-track music or soundtrack for video. An example of sound editing software is Audacity. Here you can see this is the icon of Audacity And here this is the interface of Audacity program. You can see how it's working. You can see in this example, here we can do some music tracks. We can join multiple music tracks, and also we can edit Let's see presentation software. What is a presentation software? I think you already know. Yes, presentation software is a category of application software that is specifically designed to allow users to create a presentation of ideas by stringing together text, images, and audio video. The presentation tells a story or supports speech or the presentation of information. Presentation software is generally used for creating slideshows that display information. Okay, you can see there are some examples of a presentation software. You know, there is a MS PowerPoint. Then next one is a Prezi. There is a new one for you. Here you can see it's same to a PowerPoint presentation. You can add images, then audios, videos, and also you can add charts over there. So children, let's see what is control applications. Control applications are used to make something happen in the physical environment. This type of software is often to automate the movement of control devices. Control software takes input from one or more sensors, make a decision based on the input value, and then output something such as command, a result. You can see the example also like that. Here that is a smartphone app that can be control home heating and the cooling systems. Next one is project management. Let's see what is project management. Project management is about knowing exactly what your goals are, how you are going to achieve them, what resources you will need, and how long it will take you to reach that specific goal. In fact, project management goal is to make sure that everyone involved in a project knows this and is aware of the purpose of the project. Let's see what are the communication softwares. First one is web browsers. A web browser is a software program that allows a user to locate, access, and display web pages. You can see the examples: Internet Explorer, then Firefox, Google Chrome, then Safari and Opera. So next one is email. Email is a short for electronic mail and was designed as a program used to exchange messages that are stored within a computer. You can see some examples of email, Gmail, then Yahoo, iMail, like that. So next one is social media. Social media refers to websites and applications that are designed to allow people to share content quickly, efficiently, and in real time. What are the social medias? Here you can see so many social medias we have, no? What are those? Yes, Facebook, then WhatsApp, Viber, then Instagram. What else? Twitter, LinkedIn. So next communication software is SMS. SMS stands for Short Message Service. It is also the most widespread and frequently used. So next one is MMS. MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Service. It was built using the same technology as SMS to allow SMS user to send multimedia content. So next one is instant messaging. Instant messaging technology is a type of online chat that offers real-time text transmission over the internet. In here, I am going to teach you what is software licensing. A software license is a document that provides legally binding guidelines for the user and distribution of software. Software license typically provides end users with the right to one or more copies of the software without violating copyrights. The license also defines the responsibilities of the parties entering into the license agreement and may impose restrictions on how the software can be used. Software licensing terms and conditions usually include fair use of the software. Let's see free and open source softwares. Free software is a software that can be freely used, modified and redistributed with only one restriction. Any redistributed version of the software must be distributed with the original terms of free use, modification and distribution. The open source software is any computer software that's distributed with its source code available for modification. That means it usually includes a license for programmers to change the software in any way they choose. They can fix bugs, improve functions, or adapt the software to suit their own needs. Let's see proprietary software. Proprietary software is any software that is copyrighted and bears limited against use, distribution and modification that are imposed by its publisher, vendor or developer. Proprietary software remains the property of its owner, creator and is used by end user or organizations under predefined conditions. Proprietary software may also be called source software or commercial software. You can see the example: Windows, WinRR, iTunes, Microsoft Office, Skype, then Mac, then Google Earth. Next one is software updates. Software updates offer plenty of benefits. It's all about revisions. These might include repairing security holes that have been discovered and fixing or removing computer bugs. Updates can add new features to your device and remove outdated ones. While you are at it, it's a good idea to make sure your operating system is running the latest version. So children, this is your turn. Go to the page number 58. There are some questions. I think there are 10 questions all about the softwares. I think you can easily answer those questions. So children, this is the end of our lesson. I think you already got some idea about the software. Please watch the software part 1 and part 2 both. So let's meet with another video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.